So welcome everybody. So today we're going to be talking about rethinking operational excellence through 21st century software. So if you want to know what that's about, it's really about how leaders are addressing interoperability, common converged platforms, and flexible architectures to improve profitability while managing risk. So some questions to think about before we get started. So there's some key questions here, and really we think that successful operational excellence really begins by addressing organizational, workforce, and people issues and fundamental issues with IT/OT architectures. So as you're thinking about our speakers today, we'd really like you to consider some four key questions. And to get started, so one of the most common questions we get is, why is integrated IT/OT technologies important? How can we better leverage new technology and cloud-hosted platforms to drive a step change of improvements in agility, time to market with data-centric architectures? Why is it important to converge technology and people, and how collaboration and coordination are critical to effectively manage this change? And finally, understanding the human aspects and organizational readiness when the retooling journey will provide systems for a different workforce and environment in the future. So we're very fortunate to have a full room today, and this tells me that this is a really important topic to this industry, and we've got some fabulous speakers and panelists that are going to be presenting to you today. So first of all, I want to say a little bit about Malik Patel, and we're going to have Malik present first. And Malik is end-to-end manufacturing IT director for Dow, and Malik is going to share data related to migrations and transforming data from one platform and another during mergers and acquisition and divestiture events. Malik is also going to talk about leveraging new innovative technology and cloud-hosted platforms to drive step change improvements in agility, time to market, and data-centric architectures. Following Malik, we're going to have Ricky Eckhart, and Ricky is the IT/OT enterprise architect with ExxonMobil. And Ricky is going to present ExxonMobil's next generation IT/OT journey and the blueprint for success in converging technology and people. After Ricky, Bruce Taylor is going to get up and talk to us about his work with Sinclair Oil, and Bruce is the Director of Digital Transformation. Bruce is going to talk about the human aspects of operational excellence, including organizational readiness factors and what the journey to autonomous plants looked like. As a panelist following the speakers, we're going to have David Drup, CEO of Operational Sustainability. And David believes we need to drive better interoperability to yield efficiency and effectiveness. Digital and cultural transformation is the key to achieving those outcomes, including implementing true systems integration coupled with substantial change in cultural management systems. Finally, we've got Mike Brooks, and Mike is the Global Director of APM at AspenTech. And as panelist, Mike will share his beliefs about getting lost in the discussion about technology and platforms and not addressing the fundamentals of interoperability. And interoperability to Mike means applications must work together to get to the peak of efficiency.